Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by signing into the PlayStation Network with the account that actually owns the games, or DLC. That's crucial because licenses tie to that account. Once signed in, make sure your PS4 is online and fully updated so the system can verify licenses. Now open Settings, go to Account Management, and select Restore Licenses. You should press Confirm and wait. This forces the console to recheck ownership and reapply rights to any installed content. Next, verify your primary PS4 setting. Go to Account Management and choose Activate as your primary PS4 if it isn't already active. That grants local access to licenses. If Restore fails, sign out of PSN and sign back in to refresh tokens. If you've reached device limits, log into your account on a browser and deactivate other consoles or use the Deactivate All option. Then reactivate this PS4. These steps clear conflicts and allow the server to reassign licenses to your active machine. To finish, fully power down the PS4, do a complete shutdown, wait 30 seconds, then restart. Run Restore Licenses again and re-download any missing content from library. That ensures files match the restored rights. If content still refuses to launch, boot into safe mode and rebuild the database to fix corrupted entries. If you keep seeing license errors after these steps, contact PlayStation support. One useful troubleshooting tip is to deactivate all devices remotely, and then set this console as primary to force a clean reassignment.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.